Looking to revolutionize your skincare routine? The Facify Beauty Wand might be the answer. Let's dive into the comprehensive reviews and explore its potential benefits. The Facify Beauty Wand is designed to be a versatile addition to any skincare regimen, boasting a sleek and ergonomic design. It utilizes various technologies such as microcurrents, radiofrequency, and LED light therapy to stimulate collagen production and tighten the skin. User reviews highlight improvements in skin texture, firmness, and overall radiance. Many users note the effectiveness of the wand in reducing puffiness and enhancing the absorption of serums and moisturizers. For those seeking budget-friendly alternatives, several brands offer similar devices with comparable features. It's essential to consider customer reviews, specifications, and the reputation of these alternatives before making a decision. Using the Facify Beauty Wand is a straightforward process, but to maximize its benefits, it's essential to follow the recommended steps carefully. From cleansing to targeting specific areas, the wand offers a comprehensive skincare experience. Positive and negative customer reviews provide valuable insights into the wand's effectiveness, helping potential buyers make informed decisions. The Facify Beauty Wand offers promising features and benefits, but individual experiences may differ.